Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this skirt layer in DTI. So this DTI hack is bringing maximum drama, volume and vibes, and the best part, you don't need VIP to pull it off. So let me show you how you can create this look. So first, you're going to wear the pants, this pants in here. And then here I'm going to use this hex code for the pants and change the color of the flower into pink like this. And then I'm going to go find the skirt. So the skirt that I'm going to use is from a code item. This one's in here. And I'm going to toggle it into longs and get rid of the ribbons. And here for the color, I'm going to wear this black and pink checker patterns for the skirts. Okay, so this is the skirt, and now I'm going to just complete the look with chains accessory on the hips. So I'm going to wear this one and color it silver like this, and the look is done. So this is the layer skirt that that I show you in this video. So I hope you like this look. It's giving editorial, it's giving main character, and it's giving a fashion moment. So like if you're looking for the layer, subscribe and click on thanks for more creative hacks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.